My name is Cameron Setzer. I am a former Prep for Success student. In doing so, I was able to raise my score 10 points. So I am a living testament that this works. So I think when I took my diagnostic, I started off at a one. It was either 150 or 151, and then I ended on a 161. It was really good. I think I only had like because I found it a little bit towards the end of like when my studying process, but I wish I would have found it earlier because like I said, I only got to do like 3 to 4 sessions, but like those 3 to 4 sessions helped me a lot. So yeah, it was very good. I really enjoyed it. As far as my comfort level with the LSAT, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a challenging test for me. Like I
Mhm.
said, the tutoring definitely did help and made me a lot more comfortable with the LSAT. And I think like between prep for success strategies, like going into test day, that was the most prepared that I had felt going through like my whole entire studying period, which I felt was like obviously the point. So I felt the best that I had felt when I went in on test day.